Ito guys, Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. Tinulak namin ito papasok kasi umaandar siya pero walang reverse at wala ding drive, wala lahat. So in-scan ko siya, yan ang code nya. So engine control module, vehicle speed output shaft speed not plausible. So yan yung current. Yan, yung iba naman pass and field lang, pass and field not plausible. So may, ang sabi ng customer dito, meron daw lumagabog sa ilalim tapos bigla na lang ayaw umandar. Yan, mukhang transmission o dun sa may babato sa makina. Vehicle speed output shaft not plausible. So ito siya guys, oh. Ito yung code niya, DTC P215B. Yan, current may set when the vehicle has a broken transmission output shaft. Okay, so putol yung output shaft ng transmission. The park gear may separate from the internal gear, causing the internal gear to spin freely. The count output shaft without having the output shaft actually rotating. Telltale signs are the vehicle has parked a broken transfer case causing the movement like has no park. The speedometer increments has movement. So ito yung code. So output shaft ng transmission ang putol kasi may lumagabog daw sa ilalim. Paano na kayo naputol yun, di ba? So yun lang guys, na-share ko lang. Bye, baka kargado to, kaya ganun. Kargado ng trailer siguro. Alright, bye bye.